Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable YouTube Shorts. Let's jump straight into it. Here we are in the YouTube app. I'll show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. You might want to do this for various reasons, such as finding them distracting. Firstly, locate the YouTube Shorts section. Once you find a short, look for the three stacked dots in the top right corner. Tap on them. Select Not Interested. Repeat this process for each short until they are all removed. Once you've done that, refresh YouTube, and you'll notice that the Shorts tab is no longer there. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.